Alright, what's going on YouTube and TikTok? Today is the third and final part of opening a Prizm box daily. So, let me have the Josh Allen fireworks, please. And if this box is really generous, a Drake May and Jackson Dart White Disco. Alright, there's all the packs. Go to the box. Let's get ripping. James Cook on the base. A white disco already, okay. Quinn Ewers white disco, okay. Not bad. And a Deshaun Jackson. Come on. Ooh, there's a Josh on the back. Dylan Gabriel. A London game. Whoever he is. Chuba Hubbard. And a Josh Allen on the base. Oh, he's a quarterback. He's going over here. I'll throw this away. Okay. We at least got a Matthew Stafford on the white disco. T. Higgins. A white disco of Zay Flowers. A white disco of this rookie. And a Joe Mixon. I am a Bengal fan, so this hurts a little bit. Okay. Here we go. Please be something good. Devontae Smith. Ashton Genty rookie. This guy. That base guy. There's our silver Prizm. And this guy, an old player that nobody cares about. Cater Reporter and then Terry McLaurin base. Come on, give us something here. Come on. Okay, here we got a insert of some sort. It's a Ram. Devontae Adams jersey card. Okay. We will take it. Our best pull so far. And then these two guys. So unfortunately, we didn't get any of the cards we were looking for in this series. But here is going to be our recap. Here's a white disco rookie we got. Zay Flowers. A one game of Bigsby. Dylan Gabriel rookie. It's a rookie quarterback, so I guess. A white disco on the guy nobody cares about. A white disco on Quinn Ewers. Jaden Daniels white disco. Travis Hunter rookie. Silver Prizm of Bigsby. This guy. Titan rookie, unfortunately not a Cam Ward. Devontae Adams jersey. This is the best pull of the week. Or of this series. And a white disco Stafford. Cam Scatterboo rookie, Charles Woodson white disco, Geno Smith, Ashton Jenny rookie, Colston Loveland on the white disco, Ashton Jenny fireworks, Viking, and then a Bryce Young. So that's the recap. Yeah, I mean, we didn't get any of the cards we were hunting for, but we got a Devontae Adams jersey card and then the MVP on a white disco. So, I am gonna probably buy more Prizm, okay? But, unfortunately, we just couldn't pull it. So, I might get them off eBay. At least the fireworks one. All of the white discos I want, my god, they are like... Drake May on eBay is like... Last time I checked, he was 60. Jackson Dart was somewhere in the 30s, I think, or maybe higher. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I haven't checked in a while. And then Josh Allen on the white disco is the cheapest white disco at 15. So yeah, it's a pain, but hey, hopefully we got our money back with these two. At least a box back, right? Anyway, I will see you guys next time. If you're new around here, I do a box a day series. Our first series was on Select 2025. This is our second series. I might buy one more box of Prizm to make it an even 4. And then, if I can find Optic, I will do it. But then, more than likely, it's probably going to be Donruss. So, yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. If you're new around here, if you're on TikTok and you're new around here, hit that follow button as I'm trying to hit 400 followers by March 25th. Leave a heart, comment, favorite, share. If you're on YouTube, subscribe with all notifications on. Leave a like, comment, share. With that all out of the way, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!